jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Jumping, giggling, what a sight! Monkeys bouncing through the night. One by one they tumble down. Silly monkeys in their town. Four little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped her head. Mama called the doctor. The doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Jumping, giggling, what a sight! Monkeys bouncing through the night. One by one they tumble down. Silly monkeys in their town. Three, then two, then only one. Monkey fun is almost done. Soon they'll sleep and dreams will spread. No more monkeys on the bed. No little monkeys jumping on the bed. None fell off and bumped their head. Mama smiles and softly said, "Sleep tight, monkeys, rest your head." Sing along with kids.
Eight little kittens running through the grass. One chased the leaf, oh what a blast. Seven little kittens with tails in the air. One stopped to nap on a garden chair. Six little kittens playing hide and seek. One got distracted by a buzzing bee squeak. Five little kittens pouncing all around. One rolled over and lay on the ground. Four little kittens chasing butterflies. One got startled and ran inside. Three little kittens tumbling in the sun. One heard a bird and off he spun. Two little kittens meowing with glee. One climbed up the apple tree. One little kitten purring on the grass. He yawned and said this day was a blast.
Sing along with kids.
Five little kittens climbing up a tree. One slid down and then there were four to see. Four little kittens, happy as can be. One chased a squirrel and then there were three. Three little kittens playing peekaboo. One got tired and then there were two. Two little kittens sitting in the sun. One ran off and then there was one. One little kitten all alone in fun. She climbed down, then there were none. Five little kittens climbing up a tree. One slid down and then there were four to see. Four little kittens, happy as can be. One chased a squirrel and then there were three. Three little kittens playing peekaboo. One got tired and then there were two. Two little kittens sitting in the sun. One ran off and then there was one. One little kitten all alone in fun. She climbed down, then there were none. great big sprawl. Four little kittens mixing red and blue. One painted whiskers on the window too. Three little kittens drew a giant sun. One got messy but was having fun. Two little kittens with brushes held tight. One spilled yellow, oh what a sight. One little kitten had a star so small, then tiptoed off, and that was all. Playing in the sand, digging little holes with a tiny paw hand. One found a feather and gave it a chase. Then there were three in the sandy place. Three little kittens building castles high. One saw a butterfly and waved goodbye. Two little kittens rolling all around. One got sleepy and lay on the ground. A shovel in his hand, he purred and played in the soft warm sand. Sing along with kids.
Good morning, baby, pan your eyes and shine. The sun is up and the day is fine. The birds are singing a cheerful tune, and flowers are waking to kiss the moon. Stretch your paws and wiggle your nose. Yawn so big, now touch your toes. Peek through the bamboo, the sky so blue. The butterflies came to visit you. Your breakfast is waiting warm and sweet, with honey fruit for you to eat. Brush your fur and blink those eyes. It's time for cuddles, hugs, and highs. Good morning, little one, let's start the day with love and smiles all the way. Birds are singing a cheerful tune, and flowers are waking to kiss the moon. Stretch your paws and wiggle your nose. Yawn so big, now touch your toes. Peek through the bamboo, the sky so blue. The butterflies came to visit you. Your breakfast is waiting warm and sweet, with honey fruit for you to eat. Brush your fur and blink those eyes. It's time for cuddles, hugs, and highs. Good morning, little one, let's start the day with love and smiles all the way.
Sing along with kids. Goosey gander, whither shall I wander? Upstairs and downstairs and in my lady's chamber. There I met an old man who wouldn't say his prayers. So I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs. Wouldn't say his prayers. So I took him by the left leg and threw him down the stairs.
Hello, hello, panda bear, waving a paw up in the air. Did you wake up with a smile today? Ready to giggle, stretch and play? Hello, hello with your fuzzy face, tumbling round with gentle grace. sniffing the flowers, climbing a tree, splashing in puddles, wild and free. Hello, hello with a happy sound, stomping your paws on the grassy ground.